Zucchini is stuffed with a super tasty shrimp paste. Then it's steamed and served with a mouth-watering sauce. It's healthy, tasty, full of umami taste, and absolutely no mess. Let's get started! Trim up the ends of each zucchini. Cut it crosswise. Use a small spoon to scoop out the center. Do the same with all of them. In a food processor, add the deveined shrimp and blend until it becomes a paste. You can also mince it with a knife. Then add the carrots, ginger, salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Mix well. Place a pastry bag or a Ziploc bag in a glass. Add the filling inside. Seal the opening. And cut open the tip. Squeeze the filling in the center. Arrange them on a plate. In a steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil. Transfer the stuffed zucchini inside. Cover the lid and steam for about 5 minutes until completely cooked through. Remove the stuffed zucchini and reserve the liquid inside. In a small pan over medium heat, return the liquid from the plate. Then add the chicken stock and oyster sauce. Whisk and bring it to a simmer. Add the cornstarch slurry. I have here 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir until the sauce is thickened. A conversation between my 2 daughters reminded me to always see things from the positive side. Emma is 4 years old. She dropped something. It broke into halves, and her tears poured out immediately. Ellie is 6 years old. She calmly said to Emma, "That's okay. Instead of 1, now you have 2. Emma smiled right away. So let's all try to see things from the positive side. Happy cooking and enjoy! Absolutely delicious. The zucchini is really fresh, slightly sweet. The shrimp is full of umami taste and really bouncy. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I will see you again soon. Bye!